All right. Here I am on the left rear corner of the... Oh, yeah, Burnsy. Of the Evolution. We need shocks at least. Holy cow. Look at all this. Rusty, crusty. The rubbers are shot. These are air ride too. Oh my God. Someone has replaced the rubber brake lines, thankfully, because I'm sure those would be non-existent. Our bushings in our arms, I would love to see those replaced. Definitely gonna need rear brakes. Lots of rust, lots of crust, lots of nasty. Our exhaust system. Holy cow, what a rusty mess we got here. That's gonna need to be addressed. It's actually a little extra tasty crispy.
I need a wall of Sprite. Trust me, nothing will make it past that wall.
Boys, let's look at some nasty exhaust.
I am.
Look at that.
That's disgusting. Where is this car been parked?
I have no idea, but...
Because this is rotting like it's a New York or up north car.
What the fuck is that?
That's
the fuel filter.
Yeah.
That's actually where it's supposed to be, too.
Oh. Yeah?
And it's one of those canister ones, so you use the same outside.
Yeah.
Huh. You just replace the OG sticker. Look at that.
Yeah.
Sweet
yeah.
AC.
I mean, that's actually really cool.
That's what I was tripping out on.
It does have a new catalytic converter. You can see it up there. We'll get to that in a minute. One of them Cadillac converters. Stupid.
We don't want none of that.
Yep.
Funky stuff.
So there's the ride height sensor for the air ride.
Yep, my old Cadillac used to have that.
Yep. Definitely needs new shocks.
Yep.
Those are
Well, these aren't shocks. These are air shocks.
Yeah. I know. I already explained that. You were
I'm older than you. I'm allowed to make mistakes. You're not.
You were taking the Browns to the Super Bowl.
Yes.
Anyway.
And they lost.
Okay, good. Cleveland sucks,
Okay,
by
so
the way.
we do have... Okay, so we need resonator, muffler, pipes, tailpipe.
Please. It would be nice, because this is just going to disintegrate if I look at it funny.
Don't look at it.
Well, I'm looking at it.
No, look at it with a serious face.
Look.
Stop touching. Stop.
Ugh.
Don't touch.
All right, so probably sway bar bushings. Springs we can get away with keeping. The rubbers are harder than Scotty after 4 Viagras.
This is true. Or Chinese algebra.
Pads and rotors, let's do calipers. We might get away with rebuilding. We'll see how much they are to replace because...
Come here with the camera. Can you see in here?
Oh, yeah.
This needs a caliper. There's a chunk missing out of the piston.
Oh, God. All right, so let's just order calipers. Well, let's put it on the list. So, right side, same exact mess as the left side and the rear. We don't need to go into heavy detail because it's crusty on both ends. So let's go up here to the front. Oh, Scotty, you're sitting on the tire. Can you do me a favor?
Of course I can.
Can you get
Look
up?
at the old tires that are beyond and blown belts.
Yeah, you can see they're starting to blow belts on the side. Date code 29th week of 07. Now, I looked at I think it was the right rear, and it was something of 08. These tires are done.
No, I think
This car is not going home until tires get put on it.
What?
Shh, Burnsy, because this is not safe. They are now, what year is this? 24?
Yep.
07? That's what, 17 years? Yeah, nope. You guys have seen our PSAs, our bitching and complaining about tires. Desert cars that live here in the desert. I don't care if you store them inside in the air conditioning out of the sun. You drive them outside at all, ever, especially in the heat. Yeah, 5 years max. Most tire shops won't even touch a tire that's 10 years old.
Which is, well, Scotty, shut up.
Well, they will dismount it, but they will not do a flat repair, which is correct. If your tire's 10 years old, you can F off. Ooh, Grant's here. Grant's wandering around outside. Okay. So, ooh, this is a good shot. Hold on, stay there, Scotty. We're gonna do.
Ooh, that smell.